How's it going, everybody? I just wanted to make this quick video, no review or anything, to let you know about Odouds' current contest. It's essentially a contest where they've selected people who made some tips and tricks using Odouds products. You may have seen my video posted a couple weeks ago, and I've been included in the entry, and essentially whoever gets the most like on their video on the Odouds page will win a trip to New York City. Now, that would be such a great event, and I would appreciate if my following could kind of support me and this contest and send me to New York City. All you have to do is simply go down to the link right below in the description, click the link, like the video, that's it. Essentially, whoever gets the most likes wins a trip to New York City, and as posting this, we have a good shot at doing it. I want to thank you guys for watching this, tuning in, and if you decide to go in and push like, I really would appreciate it and be extremely grateful. That's all we've got today. Coming next week, we have a review of Morse Motley's TSB 2, which you'll get to see. They've just released their announcement. Anyways, thanks for watching again, and we'll check you guys out next week. See you later.